Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a super calming and relaxing clean with me. I'm just going to share with you guys what I try to do at the beginning of every month to kind of create a fresh slate going into every single month. I feel like it just helps me so much more with being productive and just having a clear mind when I come home from work. So every month I try to wash all my bedding, my blankets, sheets, pillowcases, all of that fun stuff. And I try my best to kind of go through all of my clothes to see what I have been wearing and what I haven't been wearing, just to kind of declutter as I go, because it is so hard to kind of do it all at once. But in this video, I'm doing it all at once because I have really slacked at the kind of going things bi-monthly and just clearing out things like that. So I also had to run to the grocery store during this day, and I'll share with you guys what I got there for some healthier snack options that we can have ready when we want them. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope it helps you guys out with maybe getting some stuff done at the beginning of the week so you all can have a super productive month. Okay, so I got in the mess of cleaning up my closet, and I put everything on my bed. This is just a huge pile of shirts. And I've got some blankets back there and some shorts. And then over this way you can see my closet. My jeans are in the floor. And then I've cleaned off this shelf. So before I finished all my cleaning, I had to run out to the store real quick and get me a few things just so I could have them in the fridge for the next couple days as quick and easy snacks. We really didn't have much left in the fridge, so I just wanted to get out and be able to prep some quick and healthy snacks that we could have available whenever we needed them. But before we get back to cleaning, I'll show you guys what I snagged up at the grocery store. Okay, so we just got a few things from the store. We got a couple bunches of bananas, some blueberries, Roma tomatoes, some strawberries back here. We're out of garlic powder, so we got some of that, along with some pepperonis for a meal that I had found on Pinterest I wanted to try. Got some half and half, heavy whipping cream, a head of cauliflower, some eggs, these little 100-calorie like snack pack things, and then we got some almonds and sunflowers as well. And then we got this strawberry lemonade. I've never tried this before, but hoping it's going to be good because we don't drink pop, so all I drink at home is just water and milk. And then we got some potatoes back here, and I'm going to put all this up and then cut our strawberries and put our blueberries up in a container. And I don't think I got a ton of strawberries, but it honestly felt like I was cutting these stinking strawberries forever. And my favorite way to dice strawberries or to cut them are in like two different ways or shapes. So usually I'll cut some up that are just half or quartered, and then I'll cut up some that are more diced up, so I can use them for smoothies or yogurt, oatmeal, just something that's in smaller bite-sized pieces. And sometimes I even like to leave some whole, so if I want to dip them in chocolate or caramel or whipped cream or whatever it may be, just to give us a little bit more of a variety of how our strawberries are cut up so we can use them for various things. that's all I've got for today. I hope this gave you guys a ton of cleaning motivation to get all of those things you need to get done or you want to get done at the beginning of the week or the beginning of the month finished, so it can just really jumpstart a good, fresh, clean start. If you all haven't already, I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family here and press that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of my future content, along with that like button if you guys enjoyed today's video. And I want to thank you guys again from the bottom of my heart for spending some time with me today, and I will see you on the next one.